All right, so the next one, I like doing composition of functions. I want to move on to the last example so I can give you guys time to practice.
Yes, sir.
The last one, I'm going to write it out as x, just so you guys can see, and then we'll evaluate, and then I'll do it in a quicker way. But again, this represents g of f of x. So now in this example, all you're going to do is plug the f of x function into the g of x function. So that would look something like this. OK? But now they're not asking us to evaluate for f of x. They're asking us to evaluate for, instead of x, they want -3. So in reality, it looks like this. So -3 squared is 9, plus 1 is 10. So it equals the square root of 10. OK? Huh? X squared plus 1 is f of x. G of x is square root of x. All I did is I replaced x with x squared plus 1 because that's what f of x equals. You're plugging in the f of x function into the g of x function. The g of x function, the input value for the g of x function is x. So whatever is for my input, I'm going to plug that in for x, right? So my input is f of x. So I'm going to plug f of x in for x. Well, what is f of x equal to? X squared plus 1. Because that's what g of x equals. This tells you to plug in the f of x function into the g of x function. Just like this. Look at, if I said g of 2, you would do square root of 2. Right? Yeah, the square root stays because that's part of g of x.
So wait, why did you put f of x underneath the?
I was just another way of showing him that f of x gets plugged into the g of x function.
Okay.
OK? All right.